Discover the best succulent vines that can uplift any space and catch everyone's gaze. These vine-like succulent plants, with their wonderful looks, are low maintenance and fun to grow with flowing stems that look excellent in hanging pots. Number 1. Queen of the Night. A vine-like succulent, the Queen of the Night is a beautiful trailing plant with large white flowers that bloom only one night of the year. Number 2. Cliff Cotyledon. With long vines of small, fleshy, green-gray leaves, the Cliff Cotyledon also bears beautiful bell-shaped blooms in red and orange. Number 3. Rice Cactus. The rice cactus has plump leaves and stems that dangle down beautifully, which makes it one of the best succulent vines. Number 4. String of Buttons. With triangle-shaped leaves of green and gray covering its stems, the string of buttons is an absolute beauty. Number 5. The Bottle Cactus. Also called the bottle cactus, Dancing Bones is a shrubby succulent with long stems that make beautiful and dense vines perfect for hanging. Number 6. Donkey's Tail. One of the best succulent vines, the burro's tail has overlapping leaves that grow in a circular pattern, giving it luscious and thick vines. Number 7. Roundleaf Peperomia. With thick vines of glossy, tear-shaped leaves and orange blooms, this plant is among the best succulent vines. Number 8. Rat-tail Crassula. A vine-like succulent, the watch chain has thick green leaves with a soft texture like mosses that attracts everyone. Number 9. Elephant Bush. With fleshy, thick leaves on red-brown vines, the elephant bush is one of the best succulent vines for your home. Number 10. String of Dolphins. A beautiful and mystical plant with light green vines that bear dolphin-shaped leaves keep it in plenty of bright and indirect light for best growth. Number 11. String of Hearts. People adore the String of Hearts due to its beautiful heart-shaped leaves of green and pink that grow on its vines. Number 12. Calico Kitten. A vibrant purple vine with green and purple leaves entices everyone with its dense foliage. For best colors, make sure it gets good sunlight exposure. Number 13. Christmas Cactus. The Christmas cactus is one of the best succulent vines with each stem covered in pointy leaves and ending in fantastic blooms of white and pink. Number 14. Fishbone Cactus. With flowing long vines and margin lobes imitating the appearance of fishbone, this cactus is a popular choice in the best succulent vines. Number 15. Jelly Bean Plant. The jelly bean plant earns its name from its bean-shaped leaves of green and pink that grow on small vines, giving the plant a striking appearance. Number 16. String of Pearls. Rounded leaves like pearls growing on long, delicate vines earned this plant its name and a place among the best succulent vines. Number 17. Mistletoe Cactus. A brilliant tropical succulent with pale green stems and trailing vines that allure everyone with its messy yet lively look. Number 18. String of Nickels. With vines covered in leaves of green and yellow resembling a trail of coins, the String of Nickels is a unique addition to any home. Number 19. String of Bananas. One of the best succulent vines, the fishhook senecio is a low-maintenance plant with trailing blue-green banana-shaped leaves. Number 20. Jade Necklace. A unique eye-catching plant, the jade necklace has clusters of white blooms and small green leaves that grow together like beads of a necklace. Number 21. Monkey's Tail. With long and smooth vines covered in countless white hair, the monkey's tail plant is a wonderful addition to any home. The plant also bears brilliant pink blooms. Number 22. October Daphne. The October Daphne is one of the best succulent vines for your home, with its beautiful round leaves that cover its stem in a spiral and its pink-white blooms. Number 23. Rat-tail Cactus. A vine-like succulent plant, the rat-tail cactus has long cactus stems of vibrant green covered in brown thorns and white hair. Number 24. Ruby Necklace. An exotic-looking succulent, the ruby necklace has enticing vines covered in bean-shaped leaves of green and purple. Number 25. Silver Dollar Vine. With round leaves covering its vines in an alternate fashion, the silver dollar plant is one of the best succulent vines that screams elegance. Number 26. Peanut Cactus. The peanut cactus is a vine-like succulent plant with long and spiky cactus stems that bear beautiful pink and orange blooms. Number 27. Starfish Flower. A spineless cactus-like plant, the starfish flower is a pink-purple star-shaped plant covered in white hair. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.